Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a BMW X4. First, gather your essential tools, including a good set of jumper cables and any necessary safety gear like gloves. Before you begin, make sure both the assisting vehicle and your BMW X4 are completely turned off. It's crucial for safety to locate the positive and negative terminals on your BMW X4's battery, which are usually under the hood or in the trunk. Now, let's connect the cables. Take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your BMW X4's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Finally, take one black negative clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery in the assisting vehicle. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your BMW X4, away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Once all cables are connected, start the engine of the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your BMW's battery. After this brief charging period, try to start your BMW X4. Once your BMW X4 starts, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. That means removing the negative clamps first, then the positive ones. To ensure your battery fully recharges, drive your BMW X4 for at least 20 minutes. This will help prevent another dead battery situation. For other great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.